Please dance around the chair, please. Remember about the best move and best dance. Yes. No touching on the chair, please. No touching, else you'll be disqualified. Thank you for playing, Randy. Yes, you're such a good sport. For all who have didn't want, come here, Randy. Randy, come here, please. You have a consolation prize. Don't worry. Wow, a lollipop. Not yet. You guys are too close in the chair. Yeah, no touching, no touching. Come on. Oh. Sorry. It's okay, babe. It's okay. There's a consolation prize. Thank you, Siren. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Okay? We need to get one chair. We will be the judge for best moves and best dancing. Okay. Siguro, we get one. We're gonna pick. Yeah, we pick. Tito Alan will be the judge for best move. Yeah. And Tita Max will be the pick for the best dancer. Yes. Okay, so yeah, go. Give it all your shot, all your best. Good job, Gabriel. That's nice. Thank you. Okay, one more. Take one chair off. You're also active. Come on. Dance. You can smile while dancing. Don't be so serious. Look at that. Oh, they're concentrating. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, you might check it in. There's a consolation prize. Wala kayong nakita. It's okay. That's kids. Okay, you can stand up now. Do your best, guys. Okay. Remember, there's someone judging on the best move and best dancer. Oh, look at ayo. Okay, it's okay, Ate Hana. Thank you, Ate Hana. Go, go! There. Thank you, Ate Sophia. She's still smiling. Ooh, it's getting hot in here. Thank you. Thank you, Adrian. Okay. We have 4 chairs left. Let's see who's gonna win. 3 boys over 2 girls. Girls, you can do that. Oh, I just said. It's okay. Thank you. Si Ate Trisha. Ate Trisha. You can do that. Trisha. 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 Who got this chair first?
Orange.
Sino?
Orange.
The big brother or the small brother?
The small.
Their brother, right? illness.